Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you this new product reveal video. It is featuring the new updated VBPen cases. It's been a very long process for these and I'm really excited to finally show you. So if you're familiar with the small pen cases, the mini ones, think of the large pen cases, just an extra large version of the mini. These come in two sizes. The first one I'm going to show you is the nude pink. Both pen cases have black hardware with black zipper. And then when you open them up, you'll see 15 pen slots on one side, a new divider, more of like a protective sleeve, and then 15 pen slots on the right side. The feeling of the large pen case is a really soft faux leather. Again, same material as the mini pen cases. Now I want to show you the black one. As you can see, the structure is a little bit different because this one is filled, so it really takes shape when you fill your pen cases with all 30 pens. So let me show you how I filled this one. On the side, the left side, I put more of a green, blues, and purples, and then on the right side, purples, blacks, and whites. You can organize your pen cases any way you feel like. For the nude pink, I decided to do more neutrals, blacks, nudes on the side, and then on the other side, more colored ones, so more of the pastel, pretty pinks, purples, and light blues and teals. So two colors, you get the black or the nude pink, whatever you like. We have a lot of new members who are part of the VB family, so I want to say welcome, and they're probably wondering what the old pen cases look like. So this is the older version. It was more of a cardboard type of case. It had like cardboard behind the vinyl. It was a little bit more stiff, as the new one is very soft. It feels really good in your hand. Both, though, are very similar in size. They do fit 30 pens, so 15 on left, 15 on the right. And then this divider that you see here in the older version, that I took that out, I redesigned it, and then now you'll just have the flap right on the right side. So this flap right here will be in the new one, and you will no longer have that divider in the middle. But that's the difference between the two. So that's just a little glimpse of the two new VBPen cases. Make sure to check the description box below and the listing for any additional details that I may have missed in this video. I hope you guys like this new product, and thank you for all of your support. I'll see you guys next time.